In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to invite and play with cross-platform friends in online quick match episode 26. Start by moving left from the main menu and opening online settings, then go into matchmaking options and make sure that crossplay is turned on. This step is important. You need crossplay enabled to play with friends on different platforms. Once that's done, go back to the main menu and press R2 to open EA account. From here, select player search. You will see your EA ID displayed. That's what your friends can use to find you. Just type in your friend's EID, send them a friend request, and once they accept, you'll be connected. Next, head to the main menu again and go to kickoff, select classic match, then press the options button and choose play online. This will connect your game to the servers and let you invite your friends to your lobby. If the servers aren't live yet, it might not connect immediately, but once they are up, you'll see the option that says connect online. Just click that. You can also press R2 again to open your party list and invite your friends directly from there. You can add them to your party and start playing matches against or with them easily. That's all you need to do to play online with your crossplay friends in episode 26. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.